No experience, no clients, you can still earn online. Let me show you how to create your first Fiverr gig as a beginner designer. Hey, I am Jack from PixelPlus Studio, a professional graphic designer with over 5 years of experience. Today, I'll guide you step by step to set up your first gig, even if you're just starting. Don't forget, don't offer everything. As a beginner, choose one simple service. Before creating a gig, prepare 3 to 5 simple descriptions. Before creating a gig, prepare 3 to 5 simple designs. This can be practiced for self-made projects. They still count. Your gig title should be clear, not fancy. Your gig image is very important. Use plain text. Show brand. Show before and after design. And keep it simple. Explain what you offer, who it's for, and what the buyers will get. Don't copy others. Be honest. As a beginner, start with a low price to get reviews. You can increase your price as you gain experience. Publish your gig and don't panic if you don't get orders immediately. Stay active, improve your gigs, and keep learning. Everyone starts at zero. If you want more guidance on design and freelancing, follow PixelPlus Studio and take your first step towards online income.